and welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor Hazelton, and today I'll be showing you 2 different ways to change a colored image into a coloring book page. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and please feel free to check out all of my other YouTube videos. I greatly appreciate all of the support, and I'll also have a link to my Facebook group in the description below in case you're interested in joining that. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to head on over to Canva and open up a blank page. Obviously the size will differ depending on whatever coloring book you are creating. Please don't mind my voice. I have a bit of a cold, so I sound a little bit congested. I'm going to be using this ice cream image here, and I'm just going to select that from my recently used. This is a pro version ice cream image. I do currently have the free trial with Canva. There are plenty of free images on here, so you do not need to use a pro photo in order to do this. So I'm going to want to scroll down to Paint Effects. Now if you don't have this already, it should be here somewhere, and you just hit the Paint Effects icon and then Connect. So I want to use the Wendell filter, and I'm just going to let it load. I don't normally change the intensity or anything, but you definitely can if you're experimenting. And I'm going to scroll on up to Filters, and I'm going to scroll down to Street, and I'm going to wait for this image to finish saving real quick before I do that. And then once I hit Street, it's going to change it to that sort of gray image that I liked for the coloring book. And then you want to go back and just go to Brightness and Contrast, and you'll want to adjust it to however you would like. And you would just mess around with these buttons until it's where you would like it to be. Now, I normally would remove the background on an image like this, but that is only available in the pro version, and I wanted to show you guys how to do this with a free version. Obviously, apart from the image that I'm using, you can use any free image, and you should be able to do this as well. So that is just one way to do this. I know it's not exactly like most coloring books you see, but this could definitely still be colored, and it's a great way to make unique coloring books. So another way to do this is to go to pinetools.com and look up the edge detection. And all you do is input an image. So I'm going to input a colored blank image of the ice cream, and then go to Laplacian. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, I apologize. And then the 3x3, and then you'll hit detect, and it's going to find all of the details in the image and outline them right here. And then you can download the PNG and move that on over to Canva and edit it using the filters, or you can duplicate it over itself to get darker lines, things like that. It finds all of the details, so as you can see, the ice cream has plenty of details, so that's why there are a lot more lines. Depending on the image you use, this may be more helpful or not. I think it's a really great tool to get more of that traditional look of coloring books. So I really hope that this was helpful. I know this was a very quick tutorial, but I just wanted to be brief and show you guys 2 different ways to do this. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Again, I truly appreciate all the support, and check out the link to my Facebook group in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, please feel free to comment them below. You guys are truly incredible, and I love all the support. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.